Hi everyone, it's Nikki here, and I wanted to just give you an intro of Zoom for beginners. Now, with all of the social distancing currently happening, you might have heard in the news or read online the word called Zoom. And what Zoom is actually a company that helps you connect virtually online. So you can use Zoom to connect with family and friends, or if there's like a club or group that you usually have lunch with or meet up even for coffee, or like in your hobbies too, you can use Zoom to connect. And so there's no experience required here. I'm just going to run you through the platform and show you essentially what it does. The For beginners, it's free. You will use video in order to see one another. And right now I'm just going to show you on a computer, a PC here. But you can also download a Zoom app and use it on your phone as well if you would like to do that. And so to join, you just go to zoom.com. This is where we're at here. And you click sign up. You would create a username and password, which I've already done. So it automatically goes to my account here. And then to start, so say I'd like to get together this evening with a couple of friends and want to host a Zoom meeting. So what do I do? How does it work? So in the right-hand corner, you'll click on hover over host a meeting, and you have three different options. I like to do with video on, so you'll click that, and this will open up Zoom here. And so my video is going to come up and show, there I am. Hi, everybody. And then here this is my Facebook Live here, but you're going to be able to choose which audio that you would like to project. So I like to choose join with computer audio. That's the easiest one here. And go back, and that brings you back to Zoom. And it's really simple. I've been using this quite a bit to connect with family and friends, which has been really fun. They do have, again, the free version is can hold up to 100 people. It's 40 minutes limited. If you want to do the pro version, that is $14.99 a month. But everyone that I've been talking with, even some smaller companies too, are just using this free version as well. And again, that is Zoom. And then later too, I can also show you later this week what the app looks like as well. But again, it's really fun and easy to host a meeting with your video right on your computer and simply connect with your family and friends very quickly, even though since we can't get together in person at this time. And I know a lot of friends have been getting together, a lot of clubs too with same interests that can no longer meet at the public libraries or at the community centers that are not currently functioning or not in working. So this is just a great alternative, and it's called Zoom. And again, they have a lot of other features that you can pay for, but this is just how to get started as a beginner. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick free training tutorial. And if you would like more information, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email at socialclubsimple@gmail.com. Thank you, everyone. Hang in there. We've got another week of coming up of staying in our houses, but take advantage of this time to learn some new things about technology, and hopefully we can be there right with you, helping you along. Have a great day, you guys.